Okay guys, in this video we're going to take a very brief look at blog posts. So I recommend that you use your store as a blog. This will help you with SEO or search engine optimization, so it'll help you get rankings. It'll add a lot more backlinks out there on the web direct into your store. So it's dead easy to create a blog post. Let's come down to online store, create blog posts, and then create blog post. Okay. Now there's not too much to know about it. In fact, same with this is the same with pages as well. You can actually, if you're working on something, you can hit publish and it will be hidden until you're ready to actually publish it. You can also set a date to publish it in the future if you wanted to do that. Okay, I never do it, but the option is there for you to do. So basically you give your blog post a title, you put your content here, you can add images, videos. You know, personally the way I'm doing it is I would embed a YouTube video. I can show you very quickly how to do that. If we click share, and here can we get the embed. Oops. Okay, let's just pause this. Oh, chucking fails. Huh. Weird. Let's just open this up in YouTube. Okay, so to embed, just wait, let that load up. To embed this, if you click share down here and get your embed code here, you can copy this embed code right here. Let's hit copy. Let's go back to our blog post. Now, so let's give our blog post. Let's go test blog post. So this is our title. Okay, here we would add our text like that. Okay, if you want to add an image, you can add an image in there like that. Okay, and then it has got a video feature. I don't use it, but it looks like it works. Basically what this is going to do is the easiest way, so I recommend we do it this way. Let's insert that, and you see that it just pastes that video in there for us. Then featured image. Now for these featured images, I'm just going to grab any old image, whack that in there. For these featured images, you will want to it doesn't matter what size image you use, obviously not a colossal image, but just remember to always use the same size image so they don't look all funny sizes. You can tag them if you want to, so you know, this could be drone stuff or whatever. You could have one real estate, or you know, behind the scenes, whatever you want. That'll just help organize your blog posts. Once you are ready, hit save, and then we'll just have a quick look at that. View on, yeah, let's hit view. Have a quick look. So this is what our blog post looks like. Here on my store, if I go to the home, I have the blog posts at the bottom down here, and you can see this is what I mean about using the same size images. So always use the same size. It doesn't matter if they're square, it doesn't matter if they're landscape. Just make sure that you are using the same size ones. I've also got it up here in the navigation. So again, you know, once you build up a big collection of blog posts, you're going to you know, you're going to want these so they look neat and tidy. Now to have it in the navigation here or on the home page, let's show you how to do that. So once you've got your blog going, let's go to navigation. You can go to your main menu here, main menu navigation, click add menu item, click the link bit, click blogs, news. Okay, you can change the name of that as well, but news is absolutely fine. Hit save. In fact, I'm going to move it up to here. Oh yeah, also I would rename this to blog, so the word says blog, not news. Hit save menu. Hopefully that's going to have updated pretty quick. Okay, there it is, blog. So then it's in your menu as well. If you click blog, it's going to take you to your blog page. And if you remember, if we go to online store, and we customize the store. Now we already got this in, but just in case you haven't, we've got the blog posts section here. So if you remember, we can go add section, we can look for blog posts, boom, there it is, click add. Here we can change how many it's shown. So obviously we've only got one blog post, but you can have it show 3, 6, 9, 12, and then I would click the show view all, so if they want to go to your main blog, and then you can do the heading there as well. Okay, so let's click save. Let's go and have a look. Go back home, and then down here we've got it. I put it in twice because we were at it before, but they get a little bit of sample text, and they can click read more, and it takes them right to that blog post there. Okay, so I highly recommend doing a blog. It will help you. It will make it, give you something to talk about as well for people that are following you. It will fill your stuff up. You can do behind the scenes stuff, on location stuff, anything you think would be interesting, and also anything that would show people what you're actually doing as well. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now, guys.